I wanted to start today mathematics, that is syllabus D. It's paper 1 and it's October-November 2021 and it's 4024 and its variant is 12 and it's 2 hours exam. You need geometrical instruments. Use black, dark blue pen. Use HB pencil for any diagrams or graphs. Write your name, center number, candidate numbers in the box at the top of the page. That is, this is the page given here. This is the candidate place for candidate name, and this is for center number, and this is for candidate number. You must write according to your statement of entry. This is paper 1, and this is the barcode. We are not supposed to write here. And you cannot use correction fluid, and calculator you must not use. You cannot take in the hall, and you can use tracing paper. It's very helpful. It's a transparent paper. You can take it, and it's very helpful. And its total marks is 80, and all the marks are in given these brackets. Number 1, electronic calculators must not be used in these papers. This question. This is root over 49. 4,900. So what will be the square root of this one? We can write this one as 70 square. Square and root cancelled. So it will be 70. Okay. Now let us see next question. This is 5 cube. That means 5 times 5 times 5. That means if you multiply all this, you are having 125. Now let us go for question number 2. Multiplication first of all. If you do multiplication, you are having minus 8 and minus 35. Plus minus minus. And if you add, same sign, you are doing addition. So 35 and 8 is minus 43. Rotational symmetry, if you rotate a shape 360 degree, if you rotate the shape in this 360 degree, and in how many ways it matching with the original shape is it called order of rotational symmetry. So if you see the things in this diagram, let's see, shade this one and check it. You'll find out, and its order, if you rotate in this direction, and this direction, it will exactly, match. Let us see this question. This is question number 4. Write down the name of solid form in each net. If it goes up, and if it goes up, and if you fold it, and it will be exactly cuboid, this shape, these types of shape. This is called box-like shape, and it is called cuboid. Now, if you shape this one, it can be, though it is quite difficult, this type, and then this type, these types of shape you can make with this one. So it is, since all these sides are same, so it is pyramid shape. This is called square-based pyramid. Square-based pyramid. Maybe, though it is quite difficult, to draw. Maybe these types of shape, maybe these types of shape you can make it. It is called question number 5. This line is parallel to EFGH. and this is two lines, I mean BG and FC intersecting, and CFG is 53 degree and BGF is 46 degree and BXC is 81 degree. BXC. So now we need to find out CXG. I mean CXG. So CXG, I mean this angle, CXG. It's very simple case, just 180 and these two angles together 180 degree. I mean this complete angle is 180 degree. 180 minus 81. I mean this can be 180 degree minus 81. So it can be 99 degree. BCX, we are going to find out BCX, this angle. So this angle and that angle both are equal angle, I mean alternate angle. So we can write it as a 53 degree. ABX, ABX, this angle. This is 46. This angle must be 46 due to alternate angle. So let me write here, this is 46. And this complete angle is 180 degree. So we can subtract 180 and 46. 180 and 46. So okay, here 69 divided by 0.3, remove decimal, it is 10. So 3 to the 6, which is a 9, that is 230. We must write the things in mixed fraction. So this is in mixed fraction. First of all, let us change it into improper fraction. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 4, 11 by 7, divided by 3 by 5. Let me write 11 by 7 into 5 by 3. So 51 divided by 21. Let us divide how many times? 2 times. This will be 42 and subtract it 3, then 1. So it can be 2 whole 13 by 21. By writing each number correct to one significant figures, estimate the value of this one. So before solving this one, we must write all these numbers to one significant figure. So it is becoming 8000. This is becoming 0.6. And this is becoming, since we are writing one significant figure, so it is 20. Okay. Let us simplify. 2, 0 cancelled. Then we can simplify this one. 3, let me remove, it is becoming 10. Again 0 cancel. 3 8s are 24. 240. Let's multiply this one by 1000 because 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Okay. So 3 zeros, decimal will go 1, 2, 3. I mean 60 meters. Okay. Now 7 meters square, 2 centimeters square. So 7 meters square, it means 7 meter times meter. So we must multiply 100 times 100. It will be centimeters square. So let me write 7, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, that is 4 zeros. Okay. Let us go for question number 9. 16 as a product of prime factors. So we know how to solve these things. 216, if we divide this one by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2, I mean zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 2, 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, 2 that is 27, then 3, 9, then 3, 3. Since we are going to write the things as uh, prime factors, product of prime factors, so 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube times 3 cube. You can write 2 cube times 3 cube. The lowest common multiples of LCM is 216. Highest common factors is 18. So we need to find out two integers. 216's prime factors are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Already we have done in question A. Now let us check 18 in 2 times 3 times 3. So 18 times 18 times 54, 1872. This one can be 108. So LCM of these two numbers cannot be 216. But if we try 54 and 72, let me write 54, 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Same way, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And if we find out the LCM, it's exactly becoming 216. Okay, so its answer will be 54 and 72. I mean, this A maps to triangle B. So if we see from here to here, let us count this point and this point. This is its same shape, so it's a translation. So if I compare these 2 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, I mean 4, then minus 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So this is the column vector to explain, I mean translation. So describe fully, this is translation, and it's translated 4 minus 2. Triangle A is mapped onto triangle C by a rotation 90 degree clockwise, center 0, 0. Draw triangle C. I mean, we are going to rotate 90 degree, that is triangle A, center 0, 0. Suppose this point's coordinates is 1, 2. Okay. So if I rotate this point to 90 degree anti-clockwise, then it may be in this point. See that is the L shape and it's rotating 90 degree. That time the point is becoming minus 2, 1. So we can form a rule. XY can be minus YX for 90 degree anti-clockwise rotation. 3 minus 2. So it can be plus 2, 3. So let me plus 2 and 1, 2, 3 here. Then this point's coordinates is 2 minus 4. This can be 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. and that point is 3 minus 4, so it can be 4 3. I mean 1 2 3 4 here. So this is the triangle, is the center. Compared to that, coordinates of this point 1 1 2 3 minus 3 1 minus 3 1, then minus 2 1. I mean if I go from this side, and then from here to this point, I mean minus 2 3. Since scale factor is 3, so multiply all this by 3. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 3. 1 2 3. So this is the point. And then minus 6 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Minus 6 3. 1 2 3. Same way, minus 6 minus 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can join this and this and this. Okay, so this is the triangle D. This is the enlargement. This marks is 2.
The scale drawing shows a garden with trees P and Q. If I look at the diagram, this is P and this is Q. The scale is 1 centimeter to represents 6 meters. So first question, it is given the garden has a path that is equidistant from P and Q. That means if I look at this diagram, this is equidistance from P and Q. So how to draw the equidistance between P and Q? First of all, let me draw an arc with that same radius or more than half of PQ. Draw an arc here and then another arc here. From Q, let me draw one arc here and another arc here. Let me join these 2 points. Now it is becoming the line which is equidistant from P and Q. So now next question is, wants to plant third tree in the garden that is nearer to Q than to P. That is nearer to Q than to P and more than 18 meter from Q. Three centimeter. Now let me measure 3 centimeter. This is a 3 centimeter what I have measured from the scale. Then let me draw a circle here with the radius. That person can shade the region that is more than, this is the length of 18 centimeter from Q. So more than 18 is this part, and this part is near to Q than to P, and this is the shaded part. Okay.
ADC is similar to triangle DEC. Okay, DC. I mean, this is ADC, and this is triangle DEC. First, we can say that this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. These two angles are equal. This is 90 degree because it is a rectangle. So angle ADC equals to angle CED, because these two angles are 90 degree. Okay. Now this angle, I mean this angle or this angle, both are same because they share same angle. I mean angle ACD equals to DCE. This is the sharing angle. I mean shared angle. Okay. So DAC, CDF, CDE. Okay. So the three angles are equal. Therefore, the triangles are similar. The numbers are listed in order of size, starting with the smallest. The three smallest numbers are equal. The middle three numbers add to 35. The largest number is 4 times the smallest number. 5 numbers in order of size. Let me consider here 10, and this is will be 40. 4 times. Okay. First three numbers are equal. The three numbers are equal. So this is 10. This is also 10. Middle three numbers add up to 35. 10, 10, 20, that is 15. 30, 40, 70, 80, 85. 85 divided by 5, that is 17. Okay, nice. The diagram shows the speed time graph for the start of cyclist journey. Find the acceleration. Okay. Find the acceleration during the first 20 seconds. This is the first 20 seconds. So we can write to find our acceleration. This is rise, and this is run. So we can use that condition. I mean gradient of this line. So this is 15 by 20. I mean this side is 15 and this is 20. So 15 by 4. Describe the motion of the cyclist between T10 to T30. I mean here. Okay. So This is constant speed. Constant speed. Because this acceleration is 0 in this time. This is 20 and 15. Half 20 into plus this part. Height is 15. This is 10. 15 into 10 plus this part. Half into 20, then 15 plus 5. That means this is 10, so 150 plus 150, this is 10, so 15, 5, 10 to 200, 500. So it's decreased 40. So it is 40 by original price is 20, 200 into 100%. So this is 20%. Now let us solve these inequalities. So adding 6n from both sides, so this is 8n. Subtracting 23 on both sides, minus 23, 8n greater than minus 18, minus 23, 5, so minus 18. So n greater than minus 9 by 4, so this is 9 by 4. Okay, now factorize this one. This is very simple case. Y is common, 3x minus q, and then 2p is common, so 3x minus q. So your final answer is becoming 3x minus q y plus 2p. So 3x minus q y plus 2p. It is question 18. Write down the inequalities shaded. So this is the inequalities shaded. This one, this one, this one. Okay, fine. AC line is already given. This is y equals to minus half x plus 5, since it's below, so we can easily mention that this is y less than equal minus half x plus 5. Since it is solid line, so I used equal sign. And this part, it is minus 4, x greater than equal minus 4. This is x value is minus 4, so x greater than equal minus 4. And this is y's value is 2, so y greater than equal 2. A, B, C lie on a circle. A, B, C lie on a circle, and P, B, Q is a tangent to circle at B. O, C, Q is a straight line. O, C, Q is a straight line. And B, Q, O is 36 degree. This one, B, Q, O, this angle is 36 degree. And BS is X degree, this angle. And we need to find out the angle X. Tangent and this is tangent and this is radius. Tangents radius are always perpendicular. So this angle must be 90 degree. So we can easily find out this angle, that is 180 degree minus 90, 36 degree. And if we subtract this, it is becoming 4, 10, 6, 4, 10, 9, 1, 8, 3, maybe 5, 54 degree. So we have got the angle at the center, center. Angle at the center is half at the circumference. This is the angle at the circumference. So it is 27. We know inverse. If A, B, C, D be the inverse of this one will be 1 by AD minus BC determinant, and then we can change DA and we must put minus sign here. Okay, so same thing. So we can write here 3 times 2, 3 times 2 minus 2 times 1. They will be exchanged and this will be minus sign. So 2 and then minus 1. So the answer will be 6 plus 4, that is 8, 2, 2 minus 1, 3. So this is the final answer. We can multiply this one with the elements. Now let us go for this one. This is the cumulative frequency graph. We need to find out median and interquartile range. So to find out median, there's a 120x. So 120 divided by 2, that is 60x. So median is, this is the median, 50, this is 60, 55, 56, 57, 58. So median equals to 58. Now we need to find out interquartile range. To find out interquartile range, you need to find out lower quartile, Q1, then Q3, later one IQR, Q3 minus Q1. So to find out Q1, 120 divided by 4. So 120 divided by 4 means this is 30. And then so it is becoming 51. And Q3, 3/4 of 4, that is 90. So let me draw a line at 90. Okay, so it is becoming 62. So 62 minus 51, that is 11. So interquartile range is 88 and interquartile range is 11 gram. If it is more than 63 gram or more, so let's say 63 grams or 98. So 120 minus 98, that is 222. So this is 22. Solve this inequality. So we can write it as 3 to the power k equals to 3 square. So 3k equals to 2. So k equals to 2 by 3. Then This is, first of all, we can change this. 16 change, there is a minus sign. And then if 8 and 1 before multiplied, it will be x square. And 4th root of 16 is 2. So this answer will be x square y. Since y is proportional to, since it is inversely 1 by. To remove proportional sign, we can write, and we can introduce k. Since x equals to 1, y equals to 5, let me substitute y is 5, x is 1, so 2, 4, 20, k equals to 20. So we can write y equals to 20 by x plus 1 whole square. So x is now substituted by 9. That is 10, I mean 100. So we can write it as 1 by 5. So y equals to 1 by 5. fx equals to 2x square plus 7x plus 4. Let me plug in, x is by 3. 2 times 3 square plus 7 times 3 plus 4. So 6 to the 12, sorry, 9 to the 18. 3 square 9, 9 to the 18, 21 plus 4. Now if we simplify all this, maybe we are having 3, then 2, 3, 4, 43. Okay, let us do G inverse. Let us consider y equals to 2x plus 6. So let us make x as a subset. So x equals to y minus 6 by 2, interchange x and y, so equals to x minus 6 by 2. So our G inverse x will be x minus 6 divided by 2. 2x square plus 7x plus 4 minus 2x plus 6 equals to 1. So now we can solve this. 2x square plus 7x plus 4 minus 2x minus 6 minus 1 equals to 0. So 2x square, 7x subtracted 2x, it is becoming plus 5x. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 3 equals to 0. And plus 6x minus x minus 3 equals to 0. 2x is common, x plus 3 minus 1 is common, x plus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 3 and x equals to half. So let me write x equals to minus 3 and x equals to half. This is nice to solve. And this is question number 25. It is from sets. Let us try this one. 40 students can take part in 3 activities, art, dancing and gardening. 5 do not take part any of the activities, so we can write in this Venn diagram 5 outside. 12 do art only, so art is denoted by A, so 12 do art 8 only. Okay, 4 do dancing and gardening but not art, dancing and gardening but not. Let me write here 4. 1 student does 3 all activities. So this is the Venn diagram we have done. The total of x, y and z can be, since total is 40, can be 40 minus 12, 1, 13, 13, 4, 17, 17, 5, 22. So this is becoming 8, 10 to 8, 18. Now sum of this ratio x plus y plus z equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, so 3 to 5, 6. Okay, so x will be 1/6 of 18, that is 3, so x equals to 3. Y is 2/6 of 18, so 3 to the 6. And z is 3/6 of 18, so this is 9, so z is 9. Okay, one subset in Venn diagram in part A has no students. I mean, this is the part for no students. Okay, we need to write the things in, I mean, describe in set notation. We can write that is A intersections G, and we must exclude intersection of D prime. I think that will be the best answer. Write it x plus 1 plus 0, that means x plus 1.